baby. You're on Jamaican twilight. I've been watching you all night, and baby, the way you capture my eyes, you melt my body, feel my size, baby. You are my Jamaican twilight. Everything you do, your smooth skin and sexy body got me hypnotized. It's true. You walk like poetry in motion, glide like waves upon the tide. Girl, I got strong desires for you, emotions like a strong tide. Your eyes say make me yours, your lips say don't wait. This feeling is hot, diplomacy and feeling can negotiate. Temperature rising, fire is burning, day is getting hot. Sexy dance with you and I, oops. Stop the clock, tip tip on a banana peel. Into my arms you will glide, caught up in the heat, whap tap, we let the world slide. You're the rhythm in my heart, the bubbles in my wine, baby. Honey, you're the fire burning deep inside. The way you smile melts me, sweat tap. It's a melody. You bring shivers to my body. This is my insanity. Let me undress you with my eyes, sway and shake in your frame. You don't even know it's crazy. You're driving me insane. Ooh, baby, my love, your eyes are hypnotic. Every curve you own is a love song in disguise. Your touch, it's magnetic, would make an angel sigh. Let's lose ourselves, dissolve in this midnight ride. Just you and me and the stars in our eyes. Slip on a banana peel, and to my arms you will glide. Yeah, yeah. Let our kisses speak the words we hide. The ballroom spinning, but one time. Baby, I see forever in your eyes. Let's dance like this love will never die. Listen up, my fans. Please support the YouTube channel ExceptionalMusicJA by subscribing and share with everyone. Please press the subscribe button at the bottom right. Support the YouTube channel Exceptional Music JA.
When the night feels cold and lonely, and the stars are far away,
your voice still whispers softly, telling me love's here to stay. I see a face in every shadow. Your touch still lights my skin.
if love is just a memory, then I'll live this dream again.
Hold me closer, don't let go. Time can steal the way we glow. Every heartbeat, every sigh leads me home to what is mine.
You came into my life like a prayer.
A song I can't stop singing.
You turned the darkness into gold.
My soul forever clinging.
And even when the storms arrive,
I feel your spirit shine.
you hold my heart through every test, where love and faith align. In every dawn I see your grace, the reason my soul believes. When I close my eyes, I find you there, the air that my heart breathes.
And when the morning lights the sky, you are my sweet sunshine, the reason my heart still believes. Hold me closer, love's divine. Your heart forever beats with mine.
Through every tear,
Through every tear, through every sigh, you are mine forever time.
these songs and musical renditions was written and composed by Charles K. Xavier.
When the night feels cold and lonely and the stars are far away, your voice still whispers softly, telling me love's here to stay.
I see your face in every shadow. Your touch still lights my skin. If love is just a memory, then I'll live this dream again. Hold me closer, don't let go. Time can't steal the way we glow. Every heartbeat, every sign leads me home to what is mine. You came into my life like a prayer,
A song I can't stop singing.
you turned the darkness into gold.
My soul forever clinging.
And even when the storms arrive,
I feel your spirit shine.
you hold my heart through every test where love.
Love and faith alive.
In every dawn I see your grace, the reason my soul believes. When I close my eyes I find you there, the air that my heart breathes. When the morning lights the sky, you are my sweet sunshine, the reason my heart still believes. Hold me closer, love's define your heart forever beats with mine. Through every tear, every sign, you are my forever time.
These songs and musical renditions was written and composed by Charles K. Xavier.
There's a whisper in the quiet every time you say my name, like a river running through me, soft and warm like gentle flame. Your arms feel like forever, like a place I've always known. When the world is cold and broken, you still lead me safely home. And I breathe, and the whole world slows for me. When I fall into your heart, I'm not afraid of the dark. Every shadow disappears when you hold me near. You're the truth I'm dreaming of, the miracle
dark. Every dream becomes alive when I'm by your side. You're the love I'm dreaming of, the miracle of endless love. In your arms is where I start when I fall into your heart. This amazing love song and music composition was done by Charles K. Xavier. Please press subscribe and into these wonderful love songs.